Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to make your Snapchat profile public. If you haven't tried it before, and even if you did try to make it public and facing any issues regarding it, then in this video I'll tell you how to tackle these issues as well. I have made this account before making this video. In this video I'll tell you step by step on how to make your profile public. First you have to open your Snapchat. I'm making this video slow so everyone can easily understand. Click on the profile logo on the top left corner. The account that I'm using is recently created solely for this video. There isn't a public profile on this account. You can see the date of its creation. Now on how to make it public. First you have to go to settings. Tap on the settings icon on the upper right corner. Then I'll scroll down and see the section of privacy control. In here first tap on the option of contact me. You have to select everyone in contact me. Then go back and select everyone in the option of send me notifications. Go back, tap on the option of view my story. Select everyone in here as well. Now go back and tap on see me in quick add. Allow it. Now in the option of see my location, turn off the ghost mode. Enable location and then select my friends. Now when you go back after changing these settings, you can see that now we have the option of create public profile. Now before making it public, I have to tell you about the problems you can face. If someone not having this option, then I'm gonna tell you where their problem lies. You have to go back to settings and watch out for the birth date. I have written my birth date as 2000 and now I have my age as 22 years more or less. If someone has written his or her birth date as 2005, 6 or 7, then he or she can make her profile public. You have to be 18 plus to make your profile public. So to solve this issue, you have to click on your birth date and modify it to make it 18 plus. If you are having the option to continue, then it will well and good. But if you don't have this option, then you can't make your profile public and you have to make another account to do so. And you have to keep your age 18 plus in the new account. Now go back, click on the create public profile. Click on continue and get started and then on create. Your profile has been made public. Now I open this and you can see how it looks like. You can edit your profile and you have the option of preview profile. Now I click on preview profile option and as you can see I have gotten the subscribe button. You can add cover photo here. You go back and click on edit profile. You can add your bio, your location and even you can show your subscribers. You can completely set up your profile. If you check from any mobile you can notice that your profile has been made public and anyone can access it. I hope this video has really helped you. I made it step by step so you can easily understand. If it did help you, like this video. If you are new to this channel, subscribe it to help us grow.